Hi everyone, this is Rose from BitPOS and I am going to show you paano gamitin ang aming kitchen display setup with our kiosk order taking and our PC cashiering interface po. So before I discuss the features here, I am going to show you the devices that I'll be using in this video. So let's start with my kiosk order taking. This is a self-ordering station po kung saan we can directly take our orders here. And meron po siyang printer para mag-print sa ating orders. Of course, from here, we have our POS cashiering device. So this is actually a touchscreen device. Dual screen po ito. Can actually see, meron din siyang cashier's printer. And lastly, we also have our kitchen display setup kung saan meron na din siyang all-in-one printer for our dispatch slip. So, let's dive in on how it works. So start na po tayo dito sa ating self-ordering station where you can tap start order. Ayan, tap lang natin siya. And automatically, makikita po natin yung list of dishes and of course the menu here below ng ating tindahan. So tap ko lang yung mga orders ko. You can actually change the quantity if you want. There is also special notes here that you can add kung meron tayong mga special requests sa kitchen natin. Okay? So, tap lang ako ng tap. And then, every time na nag-a-add ako ng order, makikita nyo po dito on the side yung mga list of orders natin. So, you can actually see here. And if you want to remove one, swipe to the left lang po tayo para ma-remove siya. Nag-minus po siya sa ating total amount. So, I'm going to add more. Ayan, tap lang ako ng tap. And then, once you are good to go, you can review your order once again on this side. So, check mo lang siya, ilang quantity, price, and then the total, confirm order, tap OK. And then, select your payment option po if you want to pay through GCash or cash. Tap lang natin yung cash. Automatically, magpiprint naman po siya ng ating order receipt. So, dito sa ating order receipt, you will see our order number and of course, makikita din natin yung details dito. Thank you. Please proceed to the counter and present your printed order slip with order number 2612 and then just tap OK. Now, since we already have our order and then yung setup natin is pay as you order right now, so I am going to present this one to the cashiering end. So, dito naman tayo sa ating cashiering interface. So, here in my POS, you can actually see dito, tap lang natin yung SO kung saan you have to input the SO number based na sa resibo na na-print doon sa ating kiosk. So, say for example, in my end, I have 2612. Lagay ko lang yan and then tap OK. Automatically, lahat ng order and then the total amount will be viewed on this side. If iti-tender natin for payment, tap lang si tender, input the pera of the customer, let's say 2,000 pesos. Tap tender until mag-print ang ating resibo. So this is our sample receipt for the cashiering side po. Okay? Now, diving in from the cashiering side, the next step will be our kitchen interface process. So kung mapapansin nyo dito sa kitchen interface natin, meron po tayong notification on top, you have a new order, and then merong instruction na top refresh. If you also are a type of person na mas preferred natin yung audio, this actually ay tumutunog and nagno-notify siya na you have a new order po, and that is the purpose for that notification. Since i-refresh ko siya, just tap refresh on that one. Automatically po, magre-refresh yung buong screen natin. Ayan. And you will actually see na yung mga orders natin, every table po, may lalabas po yung mga number of minutes kung kailan siya last na order. So here, let's start with our table colors. So meron dalawang kulay for pay as you order process sa kitchen display natin. Meron tayong kulay green, which means all the dishes here ay hindi pa luto. And we also have our kulay orange, which means na partially, yung ibang dishes ay naluto na, yung iba ay hindi pa. Also, on this side, the list of dishes, yung pinaka-newest ay nasa taas and the oldest one is nandito sa pinaka-ilalim. So you can actually see the running time there, it's 43 minutes. And makikita talaga natin yan. Now, aside from that one, you can just double tap that specific SO or specific table. Makikita natin yung list of orders like this one. And every time nagtatap ako ng isang order, nagka-cross out po siya and meron po tayong dispatch slip na nagpiprint and automatically ay meron tayong reference in terms of pagdi-dispatch doon sa customer natin. Okay? So every time I do that, tap ko lang yan and nagka-crash out siya and then magpiprint. Of course, this also connects naman dito sa ating what we call this one, sa ating cashiering interface. Later on sa cashiering natin, meron din siyang prompting for that one na meron tayong dinidispatch for that specific table. So tap lang natin ang tap. So ayan, merong printout and then merong notification dito sa cashiering side sa ilalim. Okay? So you can also see that one. So every time if ubusin ko to ng top, automatically makikita natin na from orange, nagkulay gray yung ating table. It means that all orders are done. So yan po yung purpose niyan. Now, moving forward, if you want to see the list of dishes that we have, ayan. So, makikita naman po natin in this area yung list of dishes natin, especially if you wanted to know ilan yung total order of biscuits, ilang total order of cacao coffee. Let's say, for example, etong si cheesecake ko, it's different receipt. Ayan, makikita nyo po, iba-iba po yung resibo niya. So, every time I tap the cheesecake, nag-highlight po yan. So, makikita natin that there are 3 cheesecake in total na orders for this one with different tables, and then mas mapapabilis yung paggawa natin ng food since kaya natin siyang gawin at the same time for the same orders. Okay? Now, aside from that one also, we have a feature here where you can actually resize the table frame. You want to make it smaller, make it bigger, depende kung ano yung preference natin, and then just tap save. Kaya nating i-change yung sizes ng mga tables na nakikita natin as well as the item list on this side. Of course, at the end of the day, you just tap on this one where you can actually print. This one is the parang Z reading or X reading ng ating kitchen. It's an end of the day report where you can see the list of orders, bawat order, ilang minute bago na-serve, and then the time. So nakikita natin yan dito. Of course, this is really nice to know kung gaano kabilis yung ating transaction sa kitchen and gaano katagal yung waiting time natin. Okay? So basically, those are the process for our kitchen display setup with our kiosk order taking and then the PC cashiering side po. If you want to know more po, you can book an online demo and message us today.